Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Anthony. Tonight we have 2019 KIA Cerato 1.6 SX. Let's have a night walk around and a POV drive. So this is the exterior without the lights on. Okay, let's start the engine and turn on the lights. Show you around how it looks like at night. So currently the car is unlocked and I just lock it. This car has a cool feature that it has welcoming lights at the side mirror and the door handle. Alright, let's continue the exterior walk. Then we'll go to the interior. LED daytime running lights, LED headlamps, projector type, high beam, fog lights, and then you have air tunnel over here. Tiger nose grille from KIA. And you have 4 front sensor. (17-inch) rim, two-tone alloy. And here is the rear of the cars. LED headlamps, fog light. Okay, let's go to the interior. Door handle, and you have a power seat with 2 sets of memory. Okay, this is the steering. Here is the indicator stalk, wiper stalk. Here are the audio control, cruise control, telephony control, and this will browse through the car information screen. Okay, hazard lights, CD player, digital clock, 8-inch infotainment system, dual zone climate control. You have all the control buttons over here, and this is the gear lever. We have P, R, N, D, and manual mode for plus minus. This is the front sensor, and this is the drive mode. Currently we are in normal mode, and I press once, jumps to eco mode, then sports mode. Okay, this is rear view mirror with auto dimming function. Two auto up down front powered window, and two powered window at the rear. Central locking, windows lock. This is side mirror retract button, and you can put it auto, so every time you walk near to your car, it will automatically open, and after you lock your car, it will automatically retract the side mirror. Here you have the lights, headlamps, height adjust button, interior lightings buttons that you can change the illumination to high, low, as you like, and traction control button, push start buttons over here. Here is your sun visor with vanity mirror, vanity lights, sunglass holder, some storage area, USB port, auxiliary port, two power outlets. You can close and open. Glove box with lightings and air conditioner. This is 2 tiers central console box, and you can adjust this hand support front and back. Alright, let's go to the rear. Pretty spacious. You have aircon vents, and you can switch it off. Storage area. You have ISOFIX mount, and this is the child seat mounted to the ISOFIX, and how it looks like when the child seat is installed. Okay, handrest with cup holders, interior lighting, adjustable headrest, all three. Right, let's go and see the trunk. Pretty big size trunk. And you have lighting, you can see it. And this is full size tire, which is exactly the same tire that on the wheel right now. Okay. Oval type exhaust and rear diffuser. And this is the rear view camera. Fuel caps. Okay, let's start our BP run, shall we? Run starts, I will switch to sports mode. outside. Okay, that wraps up our run over here. So if you guys like this kind of videos, give me a like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get more videos like this coming on with different cars. Right everybody, thank you for watching and good night.